So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys all the steps that I take on how to do a simple low taper fade. So for this video, I used the Gold Effects trimmer and a clipper from Separate Pro. And then also any brush or comb of your choice. So I'm going to play it safe and go in with my 1.5 guard closed to just do some debulking on my first side. So because the 1.5 guard isn't really cutting as much hair off as I would like, I'm going to go in with my 1 guard or even my 0.5 guard for my debulking. And that's exactly what I did here, my 0.5 guard, and it's open. I don't know if you guys can hear the audio, but it wasn't really cutting, so I switched the lever to closed. For those who don't know, lever open cuts less hair and lever closed cuts more hair. So I'm still going in with my 0.5 guard closed, but I'm just debulking my lineup. So my lever is closed and I'm just going against the grain and also using my corners to cut the hair. So now I'm going to be using no guard, open. I don't know if you guys have noticed this when you get haircuts, but whenever you get a haircut and the barber's doing your lineup, he always starts from the middle of your hairline. So when I was recording the lineup, I must have pressed the pause button on my camera because when I was editing this video, I looked in my photos and I couldn't find the videos. But yeah, this is what it ended up looking like. I'm really happy with the results, but this is the end of my video. If you guys liked it, make sure to like and subscribe. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know in the future. The comments. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.